Behind these courtroom doors, justice waits, and so does judgment. The 296th District Court will hold one of the most high-profile trials in county history. Every seat will be filled every day, especially this one. Carmelo Anthony faces a charge of murder in the death of Austin Metcalf. There will be no cameras, no live streaming, and heightened security, judge's orders.
Since a lot of us will not have access inside this courtroom, I'm going to give you a quick little tour. Right now, we are in the gallery. This is where both the Metcalf family and the Anthony families will be sitting, as well as the media. Once you pass the gallery, you will now pass the bar. At the very front, you'll have the defense and you'll have the prosecution. They'll sit right here. This is where they'll present their cases.
Carmelo Anthony will be represented by Mike Howard, a Dallas-based defense attorney. On the other side, Bill Werski will be the lead prosecutor for the Collin County DA's office. The state and the defense will bring witnesses to build their cases. Since this happened at a school track meet, there may be minors taking this stand.
You have the juror box right here, and the juror box, you'll notice, is right next to the prosecution, and there's a reason for that. The prosecution has the burden of proof.
It's more tradition than law. The state has the burden to convince a jury of Anthony's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The highest standard of proof in the American legal system.
And right here, in this seat, will be the man accused, Carmelo Anthony.
Judge John Roach will preside over the trial. He comes with experience. He's been on the bench since 2007. This is a unique courtroom. Judge Roach also presides over the North Texas Regional Veterans Court. Doors will close each morning at 9. We have been allowed a sketch artist who will help paint the picture of what happens inside here. The men and women who sit in these seats will be the jury, and they'll be picked in the first couple days. They will sit through hours of testimony each day, all leading to one final question: whether to convict. And if Anthony is convicted, the defense will decide whether the judge or the jury determines the sentence. All this noise we've heard for months outside this courtroom won't decide what happens inside it. In McKinney, I'm Jobin Paniker.
Join us for our streaming special every night at 8 p.m. when court is in session. With no cameras allowed inside, our team will serve as your eyes and ears. Download our free streaming app to your TV and watch After the Trial on WFAA+.